everybody, we're going to be headed to the Tesla meet today. It's actually the Northern Virginia Tesla Owners Society, and it's led by Kevin, and I just got my Tesla about a week ago, and that got me in the group. So I'm going to go check it out, meet with some cool people. It's a 2-hour drive, and so when I get there I'll take some videos and I'll put them in this video. Shout out to Kevin and the Northern Virginia Tesla Owners Society. I'm excited to meet you all. See you there. Sorry guys.
They're like, keep your seat so white with kids, man. Easy. Just wipe the seat. All right, you guys take trips. Stand up on the rope. Cover it. By the way, you get it. Shiny. Just as like a summer.
everybody. I'm charging. Let's see if it turns around here. There's my baby. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Sitting at the Tesla charger. What do you want to say, huh?
Hi, Alamo.
Animals?
Hi, Alama. It means hi, everyone.
Ah, may sass ba yun? Oo. Sassy. Medyo sassy siya. So. Alright, everybody, I just got back from the meetup, the Northern Virginia Tesla Owner Society. Shout out to everybody that I met there. It was great to sell your cars and to get to know each of you. We had some beautiful cars. I got this shirt here. Let's see if I can show it off here. Let's see. Tesla. There it is. Got the shirt. Now I'm officially part of the group. Can't wait to be at the next one. Catch you guys in the next video.